Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can check out on Temu, so let's get right into it. Now, to check out on Temu, what you need is, of course, you first need some items in your shopping cart, so let's add some items, and once we add them, just add them to cart, and let me just select this one. And now that we have items in our cart, we can then proceed to the checkout. You can either click on checkout over here, or you can go to your cart and then go to checkout from there. But I'll just go to checkout right from here. And as you can see, now it's going to ask you to enter your information. It's going to ask you to enter your shipping address, which you need to enter your country and region for, your first name, last name, and your phone number. And then you can also add your address manually, and then once you enter all the pieces of information that have an asterisk right next to them, you can then continue to payment. And once you continue to payment, all you need to do is select a payment method or enter a new one if you don't have any. And then after you confirm everything, you will then purchase your items, and then they'll start processing and be delivered to you in some time. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.